Ever had one of those days when nothing goes right? You stub your toes, spill your coffee, and then it starts raining on your way home. That, my friend, is a bummer. And today I'm going to show you how to say "what a bummer" in Russian. Let's go. First up we have "Ох, какая досада", translated as "Oh, what a nuisance". This is a great way to express frustration when something doesn't go your way. Imagine you're all set for a picnic and then the weather suddenly turns stormy. You'll sigh and say, "Ох, какая досада". Next, we have "вот незадача", translated as "what a bad luck". This phrase conveys a sense of misfortune, when things just don't work out. You wake up early for an important meeting, but your alarm never went off. As you rush to get dressed, you mutter, "вот незадача". Then we have "обидно", translated as "that's disappointing". This one is short and simple but carries a lot of emotion, perfect for when something is just plain disappointing. Imagine training for weeks for a race, but on the big day you catch a cold and can't compete. You might just shake your head and say, "обидно". Now let's talk about "какая неприятность", translated as "what an unpleasant situation". This phrase is great for situations where something bad happens, but it's not the end of the world. Your phone slips out of your hands and falls right into a puddle. Not great. You'd say "какая неприятность". Next we have "ну вот, опять", translated as "oh no, not again". This one is perfect when you find yourself in the same annoying situation again. You forget your umbrella once more and of course it starts raining again. "Ну вот опять". Sounds about right. And last but not least, we have "как жаль", translated as "what a pity, that's too bad". This phrase is often used to show sympathy when something unfortunate happens. Say your favorite cafe closes down unexpectedly. You sigh and say, "как жаль". It's a simple but heartfelt way to express disappointment. And there you have it. Now you know several ways to express disappointment in Russian. Which one do you think fits your personality best? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Russian language tips. See you next time.